This 2024 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite 26 FKBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 29 feet 8 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, awning, LP detector, external shower, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, microwave, refrigerator, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite 26 FKBS is 6,836 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.